All right, let's take a look at what's powering this GMC Savana. I believe this version of the truck comes with the V6. So in order to access the hood release, you want to go ahead and open up the driver's side door, and right besides the pedals here, there's a little latch right here, and you want to just give it a good pull. Now go ahead and release the hood release. Let's go ahead and take a look at the V6 motor. So again, you have it. There you go. Again, you have a choice of two different motors. I believe this one is the V6 motor, pushing out about 287 horsepower. Again, you do have the option of that bigger V8 with 400 some odd horsepower. Again, all that 287 horsepower goes through an 8-speed automatic transmission and goes out through the rear wheels. So again, pretty basic. You got your battery here, an intake, and you got that motor pushed all the way back there. So again, yeah, gets the job done. Simple and basic, but reliable. So again, this is your V6 motor from a 2023 GMC Savana van.